GSB Seva Mandal 68th Ganeshotsav tumi Sida Prasar Youth of GSB Palita Sachi. With us we have Kaushal Inamdar. It's really nice to see you, sir, and talk to you. So when singers come, it's very mandatory to sing one bhajan in front of Lord Ganpati. And after seeing Ganpati Bappa, how did you feel? And after that, please 2 lines of bhajan for us.
I felt as if Providence got me here. And Vijay is a great friend of mine. We are friends since childhood. And I had no idea that this would be so huge and divine. So it was, I consider myself very fortunate to have come here and taken Ganpati Bappa's darshan and also sing a few lines for this occasion and, provide my seva. And so, as per your request, 2 lines that I have composed, and it's a beautiful Ganpati song from the point of view of the maker of the idol. Nice. So the idol maker says that I become Parvati and give you birth. So it's right from the mud how Parvati created Ganpati. The song is in Marathi. Khanichi chikan mati घेतली मुलायम हाती खाणीची चिकण माती घेतली मुलायम हाती लोण्या परिमळली सारी खडे वेचुनी भारी होनिया पार्वती होनिया पार्वती होनिया पार्वती मळिते मी गणपती होनिया पार्वती मळिते मी गणपती.
It was very nice to listen you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.